Now we will derive the magnification formula. The magnification means your image is how much larger or smaller than your object. But in physics, the magnification formula is image height by object height is called magnification. So magnification is equals to image height by object height. So here, here we have a concave mirror. So here we have a concave mirror. The point P is your pole, and the F is your focus point. So this distance F from F to P is your focal length F, and the C is your center of the curvature. So this distance from C to P, this distance is your radius of curvature R. So we have placed the object AB left of C. Okay. Now if you remember in mirror equation, our object was a point like object, but here our object has a height. The height of AB is suppose HO. HO means object height. This AB is equals to HO. Now suppose we have to find out where our image will form. Now suppose the first ray which is emerging from the point A. Say AB is an object, any object. Suppose a boy is standing here. So suppose first ray which is emerging from the point A, they are parallel to your principal axis. This is your principal axis. So your incident ray, this incident ray is also parallel to your principal axis. So you know that whenever your incident ray is parallel to your principal axis, so after reflection they passes through focus point. So after reflection at this point they will pass through the focus point F. Correct. Now suppose the second ray which is passing through the pole, okay, which is striking at the point P. Now draw a perpendicular line from point C. Now this line will be your normal line. Why? Because if you draw any line from the center of the curvature, that line is always perpendicular to that point. So that means CP is your normal line. So if CP is your normal line, then this angle is your incident angle theta. Suppose this angle is theta, then this angle is theta is your incident angle. Now you know that incident angle and reflected angle are always equal. So your reflected angle will also make an angle theta. Okay. So this is passing in this way. After reflection from the point P, this is passing in this way. Now these two reflected rays, this one and this one, they are meeting at the point A prime. So at this point here, your image will form. Okay. So A prime B prime is your image height, and A prime B prime is equals to HI. HI is I for image. HI is your image height. So this distance from B prime to P, this distance will be your V. V is your image distance. Okay. And this distance BP is your object distance, and object distance is denoted as U. So BP is equals to U. Correct. Now magnification is equals to image height by object height. Now from the triangle ABP, we will consider the two triangles. From first we will consider this triangle ABP. Now and then we will consider this triangle A prime B prime P. Now from the first triangle ABP, here in this triangle AB is your perpendicular and BP is your base, and angle is theta. So here you can write that tan theta is equals to perpendicular AB by base is BP. So tan theta is equals to, so value of BP is equals to, BP is here, BP is what? BP is equals to object distance U. So you can write that tan theta is equals to AB by U. Okay. So this is your first equation. Now second equation will derive from this triangle a prime b prime p. Now in this triangle a prime b prime is your image object image distance. A prime b prime is your perpendicular and b prime p is your base. So you can write that, and the angle is theta. So you can write that tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is a prime b prime and base is b prime p. And the value of b prime p is how much? Value of b prime p is of your object distance, your image distance b. So in place of b prime p you can write that b. So your second equation is tan theta is equals to a prime b prime by b. Now look at these two equations. First equation is tan theta is equals to ab by u, and second equation is tan theta by a prime b prime b prime by b. So if you compare these two equations, in both the equation the left side is same, but the right side, the right side is different. So you can write that right side of this equation is equal to right side of first equation is equal to right side of the second equation. So you can write ab by u is equals to a prime b prime by b. Now ab, now you have to do cross multiplication. So we'll cross multiply. AB will come this side. Okay. So a prime b prime by ab is equals to, you will go up, so u by b, v by u. This is v by u. Now a prime b prime is your image height. A prime b prime is equals to hi. So I already told you in the first case, a prime b prime is hi and ab is equals to ho. So in place of a prime b prime, you can write that hi, and in place of ab you can write ho. So this is your image. So this is your magnification formula, but you have to use the sign convention also. The sign convention is, you know that anything, remember that a sign convention for height, anything which is above your principal axis. So which one is your principal axis? This line, this is your principal axis. So anything which is above your principal axis is taken as positive, and anything which is below your principal axis is taken as negative. So ab, or your image height ho, object height ho is above your principal axis, so ho is taken as plus ho, but your image height is below your principal axis, so hi in place of hi you will write minus of hi, correct? And for left and right, anything which is right of your pole is taken as positive, and anything which is left of your pole is taken as negative. Now here your image distance v is left of your pole, so in place of v you will write minus v, and also your object distance is also left of your pole, so in place of u you can write minus u. So after putting sign convention, in place of hi we have written minus hi, in place of u we have written minus u, in place of v we have written minus v. Now this minus will cut, so then equation will become minus hi by ho is equals to v by u. So if you take the negative sign in the right side, then the finally your equation will become hi by ho is equals to minus v by u, and this is your magnification formula. So thank you for today.